I'm Lisa DeKnight. I'm the research manager for Newmark Knight Frank's Philadelphia region. There were a lot of new-to-market tenants that signed this quarter, which was really great to see. The new leases represented some really dynamic new industries. Canby was a sports betting company that set up shop in Philadelphia this quarter, a very new business for Pennsylvania in general. Also, we had Miramar Global from the UK and Wodify, which was a New Jersey-based tech firm that set up shop in Philadelphia. There is no new office space under construction in the Philadelphia CBD for the first time since 2011. There are quite a number of proposed sites in the city right now that are being marketed, and I have a feeling that there might be some groundbreaking on one of them because there are some significant tenants that are evaluating space options in the market. These are large block tenants. There aren't a lot of high quality large blocks available in existing buildings right now, so these proposed sites might have some viability in the future. I am optimistic. The brokerage community in the CBD really reported that as the quarter went along, there was an escalation in tenant activity. And we're sitting here in April talking about the first quarter, and I can already tell you that I've seen that uptick in volume of tenants looking for space requirements in the market. And another thing that makes me really optimistic about this year going forward in terms of office occupancy is that there's been great job growth in the Philadelphia economy over the past year. And in particular, I want to highlight the incredible drop in unemployment that the Philadelphia Metro Division saw in the first quarter of 2019. There are 38 metropolitan divisions in the country. This kind of indicates a core city and suburbs region that's a strong job center, population center, and the Philadelphia Metro Division, which is Philadelphia and Delaware counties, actually saw the largest drop in unemployment year over year of any of the 38 metro divisions in the country, which is really exciting. And so, all of this job growth is going to drive office occupancy because about half of the new jobs that the Philadelphia Metro got over the past year are in the eds and meds sectors, which in the Philadelphia area are very strong traditional office space occupiers in actuality. But then the Philadelphia Metro also got about 3,000 jobs in traditionally office occupying sectors, which will drive office occupancy going forward in 2019.